Chevron is a proud sponsor of the Jason Project in association with the Harris County Department of Education, HCDE.
Good morning. Today we're going to discuss force, motion, and how energy is transferred into different forms of energy and the different types of energy, potential and kinetic energy in class. So today we're going to build a roller coaster, and we're going to try and show where the roller coaster would have the most potential energy and the most kinetic energy. And once we've built it, we're going to see who was more successful in their journey down the roller coaster. So I'm going to break you up into groups, and we're going to kind of compete against each other. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure that your ring stand is tightly secure, and you step it apart and you start making your roller coaster. You can use the duct tape to secure it. Make sure your roller coaster must have one loop, at least one loop going through to go, and you'll have the book at the end to stop it. Once you've loosened up your roller coaster and you decided where your loop is going to be and how it's going to do, you're going to test it. And you're going to test it with the car and with the marble and see which one of you, if the marble or the car roll off the roller coaster, you are not successful. So your point is to get it off, because when you go on a roller coaster, you don't fall off the roller coasters. So once we're done with the experiment and you've gotten your results and your conclusions, you're going to answer the questions on the paper that I've given you, telling me where the most potential energy is and kinetic energy. You're going to use your paper to draw the roller coaster you kind of created here. So who can tell me what is the definition of energy? What does energy mean?
I can.
Tori?
The ability to do work or make a change.
Who can tell me what two types of energy do we have? Reed?
Kinetic and potential energy.
Who can tell me where they had the most potential energy on their roller coaster? Benjamin?
The highest point of potential energy is right here at the top.
So remember, today we learned about energy and that there are two types of energy, potential and kinetic. When we did our roller coasters, we learned that the highest potential energy was at the top of the roller coaster. You must remember that as your potential energy decreases, your kinetic energy increases, which is your energy of movement. Also, energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be transformed.